You can use
So
any
easy to
plate
do at home.
The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of pepper, just regular finely ground pepper. And this one is so cool and so easy. You probably have this at home already. So we're just going to sprinkle some of that on the top of the water. And feel free to take your mental guess. Is it going to float or sink?
Sink or float. Sink or float.
We love that game, sink or float. So right now,
it separates because the little proteins, the little fats around the pepper separate it from the water. Remember, we said that fats and water don't like to mix.
And the pepper actually has proteins or kind of a fat on the outside of the pepper. So it's going to act just the same as a germ does, or just the same as something like milk does, which we'll talk about in a second.
But if you add soap, it's like almost like the proteins are a little bit afraid of that soap and they run away.
Awesome. We call that hydrophobic. Phobia is like something you're scared of. So you can think of it as proteins are kind of afraid of water. They don't like to bond. So you will notice the pepper actually spread out to all the four corners of the plates as far as it could possibly get. So it's cool with pepper. You can use this over and over again. Just wash off your plate and reset, and you can do it. It's so fun.